Hey, if you wonder what kind of the charger you can use with the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, let me quickly explain. So first of all, when you actually grab the box of the smartphone, you can find information at the bottom. There you can get charger from 10 to 25 watts. And in my case, I'm using two chargers. The first one is actually from my old Huawei phone. This is actually from the Huawei P30 Pro, and it's actually with the quick charge. So this is actually the specification. This is actually like 5 or even 6 years of this charger, and it works really fine with my M15 5G. Also, I've got this second charger. This is actually from this is like some kind of the Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, but I'm not sure what is the brand of it. But it works pretty fine with my phone. So you don't actually have to buy the original charger. You can use any other charger from your phone that actually hit this specification from 10 to 25 watts. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.